can do best to say best. Say they should release them.
For hi, I can 70 VGH. Message, like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. For Addo Dee Nyame, why be? Why be? Amane bruso. Addo Dee Nyame yeah, sorry about it. Say me voice here. I said because Accra FM, NDC station. And there, Ubo Accra FM for NDC station is also. Any day. NDC Communicator be copy a friend of Bennett or copy wo Accra FM. Now, more show be in the afternoon. I think Citizen show. Oko pie wo show no suno. Ena oka say anka ni party mpenifo ehun say obeba Accra FM saa da na anka mbeye bibia obetumi aye bia to prevent him from appearing on the show. Onya ka sabe me say asemaba bibi besi hey bibi besi eto nyom no wie no and I say okay amanie then na di uba studio ene a anka u party mpenifo ehun ntema anka se national security kra umbe suma be fawa omuma umba and I see Galamsey ekoso no enye MPP4 NDC no nekasa no o si Galamsey ayeka achim mafia achimfo ana achim o si enye MPP4 na eye omoa mu nkrofo omoa NDC4 nkrofo na NDC4 a mu yesa Galamsey a mu to excavators a mu ko security for enye kokopon kitinkiti NDC4 ni bio eye mpenifo na nkasa eneye NDC Communicator ni o a oka wa Accra FM se omo party for mpenifo na ye Galamsey no na say word no chimwe akokudamfo mi chiaba chi yeah. But on a more serious note, or say ebra omo amadia ma for me and say or say Nimos or 9 months or whatever I can hear Operation Galam stop and I kufuado and I'm rename or say ebra omo cooperation no mpenifo a omo frefre soldier phone say munjai Galamsey phone in system no enya easy and to say o one de no ni yema hye no and ni yema hye no until na we dwa neighbor studio I say David way there I will confess who said those when you watch Nigerian movies and I say kuma would cry will share so biko kumo bi na some man we ha na I will confess it's burning me and Addo Dee Nyame the year guy we are okoka or no ananum to say MPP4 now more revelations will keep coming and by 2027 1 year before election Akufo-Addo Bawumia will be vindicated MPP will be vindicated ebanusa let's go and watch the video. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to like, comment and share. Very important. I'll see you. Bye. Cheers.
Big Kosu Ghana has here. Asefim. Ya na ya yo. Minia. Aka kwame nkruma Ghana odijai na aka nye se ne sei na yehu. Eba ne sei. Ade na Ghana ya anye ni ye nti a ene ebeda sorry. Na site body guys. Galamsey site body guys Ekuta a 2. They are mining and protecting their sites.
Imagine.
This is a national security issue. Seeing people who are not authorized to hold ammunitions that are dangerous and threat to our lives and our properties are national security issues. And issues of national security interest must not be pampered or massaged. It must be dealt with
head on
as it is. I have received several calls, several information, and a member has said, "Painful will be no money. I can best stop him, say my member, because they know I'm coming to say things that are hidden, and I'll put them here." I'm not going to attack anyone. I'm not going to insult anyone, but I'm going to say it as it is. Because here in mind, but say Ghana bar, where will we be? Some of us. Exactly. Have you thought of the family now? Share a cross go baby now. So once and do musika, they will survive. No. So we bet to move back to Ghana. So bet to me Janiakwa. What about the rest? Can they also run away? Can they? Think about this. Just have time and then think about this. Can they do that? Have you thought of nana no share cross no? We see that the helicopter kofano. Now we go US abana si yekunwa. Should we continue to sit aloof watching these illegal miners bodyguards shooting? Uncle for a small almost say they should go and protect the country.
Imagine.
This is one of the things Emma last minister so to wha you Rama Kofi Boa elemblem na shobe jeni papa na ode 5 minutes eka 8 years abakwa semche akufado parliament at the state the last state of the nations address.
Yes.
That man oto sisia na like ohun de onye isia no. Should I welcome what the people are saying? Should I welcome what these people are saying? I say 2 groups are now talking to him and he doesn't know which one he should choose. But because he is focused and determined towards the cause of changing our water bodies to blue, changing our forests to green, he has never been tolerant with the illegalities in our mining sector. As I speak with you, he's in Brazil.
Yeah.
Nanka or Brazil, Nanka Obeba no say or Tiasempa. Now Obeba beto say my people have been attacked. The very people that have been asked to work with me have been attacked. I'm now giving the preface. I will start it from Shidi in a half region. Last week, this was a topic everyone was talking about. Saturday, it happened on Saturday. A week today. One, I want the people to know that Nimos was not there for an operation. That is one thing people should know. People are saying that Nimos went for operation and they were changed tax. Nimos wasn't there for operation. The commander of the Nimos, who is in the person of Colonel Boa, was there to make arrangement and then to meet some people, some stakeholders, to discuss how they can stop the illegal mining and promote responsible cooperative mining. An initiative by the government. Before I proceed, I want to state this clear. I want your camera to capture me. If you attack Nimos, you attack your own life. If you attack Nimos, you attack your own life. Now, they went to Ahafo region. He is done with the engagement. He is now proceeding to another place. On their way going, and one of his officers, a friend said, "Boss, yensa yechi na ekwan na no omo ye adwuma wo a enye." Let me give you the 3 key areas that Nimos is against and the government is against. 1, in our water body. 2, by the roadside. 3, in our forest. Forester, last minister, by Sabita Frache, Jenapotna, who went to me and reclaim me and feel illegal mining semono. 9 red zone. I'm a coffee wanda. I call him and then he will just decline my call. He will tell me that we need to, take over the forest. I'll call the minister and he will declare he will tell me that, Bennett, if it is not about reclaiming our forest, then please, until he took over the 9 forest zones, before he started doing other businesses. This is one of the biggest achievements in our mining. I mean, as far as Ghana is concerned. 3 danger zones, some are forest, water body, and then by the roadside. So when Nimos saw it, they were like, oh, although we are not on operation, but let us go there and then tell them that they should desist from illegal mining, because any the enya dabone more. Nemo, so when Jaya, yeah, but you know one thing, so Nimos ebe ready site. When him say so amukwa, almost as suman conform on be ye, and who say, ampa, baby, you ready no, obi ani ho. So it was part of the engagement in a half region. They went to some site or more could ready previously.
Okay.
Omo who said no, yankoshe and Pomoko no be any. Okay, now they can now invite responsible cooperative mining to engage the people.
Okay.
Then Omo releases assassin.
Okay, so that is actually the strategy.
The plan. Honorable Amakofibo has 4 strong pillars. On the year Juma. But the people are not understanding him well. It's so simple. He started with blue water guards.
Yes.
Responsible cooperative mining came. And the 8 fallen heroes at the Ebeshe Mua and my eba from Kakra. And catch ye Juma. Nimos ebae. And then the last the Tree for Life initiative. So the 4 pillars, blue water guard, Muko. More identify the spots.
Yes.
Give the signals to the military. They come, they raid. Responsible cooperative money take over. Settle the place. After reclamation, then you do the Tree for Life plantation.
I see.
Adia. Sebio. What nasi now dream now what you see. So that was it. So Nimos went there with Kanabo and then they engaged the people. And then they told them, say, no. When him say, even though Samukuta, you can't say license and a permit, minerals rights import, acquiring China, it is not by law, say so by your mine or that is 1. It's an offense. 2, more small scale miners. Small scale miners are not permitted by any law in this country, say they should mine with cyanide and then mercury. So another offense. Now Nimos is not at the right position at that moment. Say at the more court into a say munjai Muisu machines no mo fele amenano. Na okoko to cyanide and paper ye create assementi mu nsuo ni ginem. E kwan chen. Hey, na enu an say na ambe.
I'm told say just 10 meters away.
10 meters so. Hey, yeah. Ya enu an say na ambe. Then Kanabo was like fill the pot. Pit na mo jeje so mo fele. Into Mukusu fele no bisa said, then who is responsible for this site? Because then the person must be must hear something. The person must see something.
Yes.
Because to me tineko wembu nyanyam rasema entisa. So Kenabua called, and then they were not ready to tell him who the owners. By then nankofo no bebre adwanya ma wachi Burkina Bay baako. See, another offense.
Yeah.
Burkina Bay foreigners coming to do local. Why? If foreigners wants to do mining in this country, they are permitted by law to engage in large scale mining. Why the small scale mining? Small scale mining, it is meant for the indigenous Ghanaians. Why the Burkina Bay? And we're tracing in this center who's a Ghanaian. And also then Kanabua and short say they call the defense intelligence rep from the armed forces region the mono. Oba ya also on the microphone. Ya onu kwa ya pick intelligence be brave one. Onu defense intelligence officer na your friend no. We've picked so much information on him.
Sir?
Sir, in oh dear,
did you break?
I'm taking my time.
Because
I say Sembia Bekano and Sembia says Sumasen won. Minia, what tibia? Maybe the whole month no Sansa na Beka once. I bet you should break back. I'll give them in faces. The next time I come, I'll give the face too. Information you pick on channel and on that chain. And Obe boss say 1 Zach and Alex and no more site. The Alex came with RAV4 DV unregistered. The Zach came with Range Rover DV unregistered. Then they came to the site. Then Kanabua, you know, they were arrogant. They were speaking to Kanabua, say, me ne China fat nada. China for yankofobia musrade. But so who say China need any or ye be and just say to me be etalinechi. What they can answer? They came and then they were speaking arrogantly to the the military officer Kenobwa and then his team. And you know, as professional and intelligent Kenobwa is, he has been in this institution for 27 years. Last 2 weeks was his 27th year, and I went to thank him for being a professional and an intelligent officer so far. Now you know something. Kenobo asked them, "Are you the owners of the site?" They said yes. They agreed. No, say that is when the arrogant talks began to flow. Then Kenobo was no. Hey, he ordered Musecho Mokas. They searched the cars and they found a tool. I should be handled by military officers. Now more, Galam say site owners. Now more 20 sir. Then what are the motives behind a tuona mukutano? Almost to show there was amount that is a little over 10,000 Ghana cedis.
I think I said 11,000 or so.
Good. Rafone and Omodi Naka.
Yes, in mobile phones.
Mobile phone.
Bear 12 pieces or
good.
So.
Kenobo said no. Ammunition no. Yeah, for more musisia. See the more musisia and I say they can fire and then kill us. Like that is what you should think. What could you 12 feet? Obi se nipa ni nye asreni. Onye police ni.
Why then are the man back?
What the man back na say okona so ball no kuwa. It Kenobo was so intelligent. See how professional the guy is no. Yeah, a bro adwene mete so no say no. Let us take a tour to the nearest police station. I will personally hand over to them because I want to be fair to nko. Non from a police phone. Now a police phone should take it from there. Then we can what? Do a follow up. That very spot on a course shall say that very spot and a course.
I see.
That very spot and a course, no. That was when the MP came with the tax. The MP came with the tax. Now, no move for and buy. Because almost a tax, no, almost vampires, almost vanishing on Bedouana. He led them there to the site where the Nimos officers were. Now ya chikrofo a handcuff omo. Burkina Be ni Alex ni Sazak no. Ya handcuff omo. Acho mo de agu ha. What ba? Then what you can do best to say best. Say they should release them. Omo any handcuff no in from monsa. Yenye handcuff in from monsa for what reason? Ya chobi okutetuo. What ba? Then what you can do best to say best. Say they should release them. Omo any handcuff no in from monsa. Yenye handcuff in from monsa for what reason? Ya chobi okutetuo. We should take the person to the nearest police station. Then they take it from there. Now that you say yenye handcuff in from then what are you trying to tell? So that was when other calls began to come. Now bet you say why afre me person me to do this here. You bet you say open way afre. You bet you say open way wa konto mu afre. Yes okay. Now say he wouldn't listen to them. Now the right thing must be done. Obi obefre bia ye ntie no. Even John Mahama should call at that point yinti because this is a national mandate.
Exactly.
Okay. Do you remember one Friday John Mahama met all the CSOs responsible na omuhina entina no munye de emfa John presidency concerning this illegal mining. So Nimos said they will not respond to anyone call. Bringing it to an end, Nimos concluded say Akayenko the nearest police station. When he said the tax led by MP no the new blocking Nimos for say monko. By then na Kenobo ama cast Nimos cast na 3 wa ma minu akọ ama na ka ne de no mo bo ne de say no de na new car ya de abre no ombo boss hwi mo se bubu ne bibia na anka ya nua ne say na ame a aka say Nimos ekọ ahonyehia we mu. Listen, their lives also matters. They are Ghanaians.
Of course.
Illegal